We got the house, guys.
Your iPad flashlight is on. God, she's old.
Okay, that's 2 down, guys. 2 outs. 2 out of the 3 outs required. Okay, guys, let's go. Tom Brady is a quarterback. Okay, heads up. 2 down. College football is on Saturday. Okay, come on. Look alive. NBA players are predominantly black.
Kiss that belly. Let me kiss that
Stop
belly.
it.
I'm gonna give you a flubber kiss. Flubber belly. Pork belly's the way. Give me that belly.
Oh my God!
Oh, my God. Are these pickles really only 39 cents?
That's right, ma'am.
Wow, this is incredible. What the hell's going on here? Growing 1 carrot, taking up time, filling up the day with nonsense. Vodka in the bushes. Making it better, making it bright. What a day. Think I'll check the mail.